So here I am with the top 4 impact drivers in 2024 that you can get. So I'll be showing you brands like Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, XL by explaining some of the prices and features so you can make your own decision. Starting off with Milwaukee's M18FD3 impact driver, which has got a max torque of 226 Nm and can generate up to 4,400 RPMs. It has got 4 modes to maximize performance and power. Also has a one-touch bit installation. So guys, as you can see, it's such a compact machine. Get this now as a body only for £120. Next up is DeWalt's DCF887, which has a max torque of 205 Nm and can generate up to 3,800 RPMs. This also has a one-touch bit installation. Also has a 3-mode drive control. It is compatible with the Flex Volt and the Power Stack batteries. Yet another one which is very lightweight and a very compact design and is selling for £75. Next up is Makita's DTD152 impact driver, which has a max torque of 162 Nm and can generate up to 3,800 RPMs. Another very compact and lightweight machine, so this is selling as a body only for £70. Next up is our baby, our homegrown brand. This is our XL 18-volt brushless impact driver. This has a max torque of 220 Nm and can generate 3,800 beats per minute. Machine has an LED light and also will give you a 3-mode speed. This machine is for anyone that's looking for a budget-friendly tool and for all the DIYs out there as well. Get this now as a body only, selling for £35. Just for your information guys, all 4 impact drivers come with a 1/4-inch chuck. All are provided with LED lights and also the belt clippers as well. Now it's time for the real deal. You've probably just seen the using shots, however it's time to use it ourselves and compare all 4 of them. But I'm good at showing tools but not really using tools, so I've got one of the experts, Sunny Boy. So guys, as you saw, all 4 impact drivers were tested to the limit, but at the end of the day guys, it is your decision whichever one suits you best, depending on the budget and also on how much power you want. We don't just sell these as body onlys, we also sell them in kits, including chargers, cases, etc. But you can check them out yourself on our website on toolsfortrade.co.uk. Also guys, check out the latest drill bits that are introduced by our homegrown brand, which is XL. And for your information, they all fit all 4 impact drivers. In the description below are the links for all 4 impact drivers, so you can check out more information about each one of them.